Hello guys, this video will show how you can use regularizer on an angled surface right here.
And real quick guys, if you want to learn this awesome new program called Plasticity, I've got a course for you in the description. This is the first link there. And it's got a lot of awesome content, guys. It's got over 42 hours of educational content. It's got a tree cutting mechs, it's got police robots, Omega, cyborg ninjas, and much more. So be sure to check that out.
So regularizer is a nice little script that allows you to take a selection, turn it into a circle. But you get a more messed up result if you try and use it on an angled surface like this. So I'd like to show you how you can still get away with it. I'd like to show you two methods actually. Alright. So I'll go ahead and hold shift and move this to make a copy. The first method, which is I think much faster, is to use face constraints. And now when I press my hotkeys for regularizer, you notice it's pretty stable here. Once again, this is without face constraints. This is with face constraints. And so guys, one of the reasons I like to use a lot of Max on modeling is because Max has those very convenient built-in features like face constraints, which I've gotten used to, and it's just a very fun, fast workflow. However, even when you use face constraints, you still get a little bit of warpness here. So I'll go ahead and select this. I'll go ahead and select those edges, and I will just go ahead and straighten them out. Alright. I can now make it planar, for example. I can do another regularize here. Alright guys, another method right here is I will press Ctrl V to make another copy right here. And I will, I'll use regularizer without using face constraints. We get this. I will now go into freeform tools. I will switch this from grid to surface, pick this as surface, and I'll simply use conform to conform this to that underlying object. Actually, let me make sure this is actually set here. There we go. After being reconformed, we now have this. I can continue working. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching and take care.